Do you sweat a lot and too often? This is a sign of weakening heart due to insufficient qi and blood. A weakening heart can't regulate blood well, so blood turns into sweat, even if you have mild exercises. If you want to improve the condition, you should do this Qigong routine. Rotating shoulders 5 times, waving arms 30 times, gripping fingers 100 times, wall squatting 10 times. You can start with fewer repeats and then gradually increase to what is recommended. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can strengthen your heart and lungs, relax your shoulder, tone your arms, reduce belly fat, promote qi and blood flow, and exercise your brain to prevent dementia. To access this Qigong routine on Onenergy Qigong app, use the code on the screen. Practice this routine daily, and you will notice a significant improvement in your energy level and overall health.